Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about your final exam. The first section looks like this. It says, listen to Erica describe the things that she likes to do in her free time. Then read each of the following statements and decide whether it is cierto or falso. And if the information is not given, select no se menciona. So just like before, when we're sitting in class during our final exam day, I'm going to play a little clip in which you'll hear what Erica likes to do in her free time, and then you'll answer the questions below based upon what you hear. And just like previously, I will play this clip more than once, probably somewhere around 3 times. Okay. The next section says, ¿Qué tiempo hace? Do you know the weather expressions? Match each expression to the appropriate image. So this shows you the weather, and so you just need to match the weather expression with the picture beside it. Okay. ¿Qué es esto? Do you know the vocabulary that talks about pastimes? Using the descriptions provided, fill in the blanks with the correct vocabulary word. Don't forget to include the correct definite article. Es una prenda de ropa que se usa para nadar. So it's asking you to tell about a type of clothing that you wear when you go swimming. And so you can't just say swimsuit. They want you to say the swimsuit. So in each of these, you'd say the. Okay. El tiempo libre, complete the following sentences about free time and the weather with the logical word from the word bank. So you just pick the word from this word bank and decide which one completes each of the sentences below. Okay. En la playa, what things do you associate with the beach? Write the word for the item shown. Be sure to include the correct definite article. So here you've got umbrella, but you're not just going to write umbrella, you're going to write the umbrella. And here you have cooler, and you're not just going to write cooler, you're going to write the cooler. Okay. So then down here, escoger, complete the following sentences by choosing the appropriate verb. We had talked about the preterite. We've talked about regulars and a bunch of different irregulars. So that's what you're doing here is you're reading the sentence. You decide which of these verbs would best complete it and then which spelling would match the subject of your sentence. And you're going to do that until you get down here. It says, ¿Cuál es el verbo correcto? Complete the following sentences by selecting the appropriate verb. Same thing again, even though it's a different exercise, you've got choices, 2 different spellings of 2 different verbs, so you pick which verb best would complete the sentence, and then you pick the spelling that matches the subject. Remember when you have little words like me, te, le, etc., that they're not the subject, they're not for whom you conjugate your verb, they are the object of your sentence. So make sure when you see me, te, le, etc., that you're looking for something else to conjugate your verb for. Down here, we're doing the same again. This time, though, it's the imperfect. So just pick between the 2 verb choices given and then pick the correct spelling of the verb that you choose to plug into these sentences. Now here we're going to choose the difference, el pretérito o el imperfecto. Complete the following sentences by choosing the appropriate verb. So you have to decide whether you want, well, you're given one verb, then you've got to decide which spelling of that verb, its preterite form or its imperfect form, and you've got 2 choices in each tense, would best complete the sentence. Okay, and a little bit more with preterite. Yesterday, Ofelia, Tiago, Vicente, and Trinidad went on a picnic in the park near the campus of their university. Find out more about their afternoon by filling in each blank with the correct verb from the word bank. So you just read through here and then you fill in the blanks with these words. Okay. Los deportes en la universidad. Alicia and Raul, 2 international students at your university, are discussing the sports they like and normally play. Complete their conversation by filling in the blanks with the correct words from the word bank. So you just take all of these different sports and fill in the blanks with the different sports. Okay, and here el examen de vocabulario es mañana. Tomorrow's your big vocabulary test. Complete each of the following sentences with the logical word or phrase from the list. No answers repeated. So you just read through here and you pick which of these words would best complete the sentence. And then I'm pretty sure this is the last activity. It's just a reading activity. Read through Los Juegos Olímpicos de Verano. Read through this and decide whether the statement is true, false, or not mentioned based upon what you read above. And that's the whole thing. So it's pretty much covering 7 and 8. It's vocabulary from 7 and 8. Just what's coming from 8 is the difference between the preterite and the imperfect. And from 7, you've got how to form the preterite, and I think how to form the imperfect was coming from 8. So, and that's it.